Hello everybody, it is me, back with another unboxing video, and today we are unboxing the Royal Kludge R75 mechanical keyboard. Now I have unboxed a product from Royal Kludge before, which was the RK61, but that was a 60% keyboard, and as y'all can tell by the model on this keyboard, this is in fact a 75% keyboard. Because if y'all don't know this about me, you know, I like to do a lot of editing in Photoshop and Premiere, and it's important to have keyboard shortcuts, but you don't really have many keys on a 60% keyboard, so I thought I might as well get the next best thing, which is a 75% keyboard. Even though I could have gotten a full-size keyboard for probably the same price, I don't care, I wanted this one. So that's why we're here today unboxing this. So let's waste no more time and get to it. So on the front, we just have the Royal Kludge logo, the model of the keyboard, and then just a first look at what the keyboard's gonna be looking like, and then it just says Royal Kludge keyboard. On the left, we don't really have much there. On the right, the same goes, and then on the bottom, we have the arcade game keyboard, and then that's just their website right there. And then on the back, we have some more information right here, which is basically just the model and what switches I got. Now, I really was looking for a white keyboard with some brown switches, but I could not find it anywhere, which made me very sad. So I decided to just go with the red switches, since they're basically the same, just not with that satisfying click like the brown switches have. But yeah, this is an R75 with red switches in white. You know, it is what it is. And then we just have the Amazon little label right there, a sticker, and then some other information right there. And then on the back, not much information right there. But yeah, let's go ahead and actually get into the actual unboxing now. So let's open up this bad boy. You know, I've been waiting for this keyboard. I love this keyboard. From what the pictures I was seeing, I'm in love with it already. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here we go. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm liking the look of it. Let me go ahead and take this out and then get that other stuff out of the box as well, which is just the cable and then some other things, I think. Yeah, so we have some replacement switches right there, a thing to pull them out, and then that cable that comes with it. So let's go ahead and move everything to the side so we can get a better look at everything. All right. Whew. She's a beauty. I already could tell. And there it is. Wow. For a second, I thought there was like a freaking acrylic case that came with it, but this is just a protector. Oh my god, that's a beautiful keyboard. Now on camera and a little bit in person, it sort of looks like a cream instead of a white, but supposedly it is a white, you know? Maybe that's just the cover, who knows? Oh my god, that thing's a beauty. That thing is a beauty. Look at this bad boy, folks. It does look like a cream on camera, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Ooh yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set this down though for a second. But yeah, so we have the keyboard right here. We have that USB-C cable right there. 4 replacement red switches. And then we have the thing to actually pull those keys and switches out. But yeah, let's take a closer look at this keyboard. Ooh, it's just... yeah, that's not bad, but it's definitely a lot quieter than my old keyboard. So like I said, I had the RK61 before. I'll go ahead and bring it over here. And by comparison, this one does look a little bit more white, I think. So yeah, this is the RK61 and this is the R75. And so these are blue switches. Here, let me put it on the table so y'all can sort of get a better sound impression of it. Let me zoom in. ASMR channel now, you know. Yeah. But yeah, guys, this is basically what the difference between a 60% keyboard is and a 75% keyboard. This one definitely looks like a cream color, which I don't really mind, but like, I asked for white. I asked for white, you know. But yeah, this is, ooh, that's nice. Let me get a close up for y'all. You know, it's definitely not as satisfying as the blue, but I'm liking that, actually, you know? I got like a key tester to see what type of keys I would want, and like I said, brown was the one that I wanted, and I bet it would sound better, but that still sounds pretty good. I'm messing with it. And then we have this little knob right here, which is aluminum. Very nice. And then we have their little thing. So that's a nice little comparison between the two. This one doesn't have that badge because it is a bit older. I think I got this one like a year or two ago. So there's that one. But this one does have the badge. And also another thing I just noticed is this one actually has a keyboard lifter thing. So on this one, you can't put those legs up and have it, you know, stand up like that. But this one has keyboard stands, which is pretty cool. And then you have an aluminum badge right there to let you know the model. Let's see how that looks with the stand. Ooh, that's actually... yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Alright, well I guess it's about that time to go ahead and plug up this bad boy and see how it looks. Maybe I could just use the same cable as my old one. So let's go ahead and put it on the setup and I'll see y'all there. Alright guys, I moved the keyboard into the setup, you know. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's go ahead and plug in this bad boy and see how those colors are looking. I'm using the same cable, so hopefully it works. Ooh wee! Oh yeah, she's a beauty. She is a beauty. Okay, so if it's the same to change the color, it would be function. No, that's not right. Okay, I might have to look up how to change the colors real quick. Oh yeah, I think I unknowingly actually changed the thing already. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Okay, so supposedly it is function slash. Okay. We're looking for whites. We're looking for whites. Okay, so I think I have to look for the solid one, which is this one, and then it should... oh yeah. And there it is. Ooh-wee, she's a beauty. She is a beauty. I'm liking that. Are we jacking that? Are we jacking that? That is nice. Oh no, we're gonna do a typing test real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and go get my tripod. I'll be right back. All right, I'm doing a 1-minute test. Let's get it. Yeah. I said hello everybody, it is me, and today we were playing some Fortnite and then some Minecraft. Okay. I'm messing with it. You know, it's not as like, let's do this one with mine. With this one. Alright, now this is with the RK61. This is just a sound little comparison, not that it'll really help too much, but yeah, that's a little sound comparison. You know, definitely misspelled everything in that whole typing, but I'm messing with this. I think I like this keyboard a lot, and you know, it's so much quieter. It's like typing on marshmallows. It's like typing on marshmallows. I don't know how to describe it. I really do wish I had those freaking brown switches though, man. Dang. But yeah, guys, that is going to be the end of this unboxing video. You know, I really do wish I was able to get those brown switches, but you know, I guess it just wasn't meant to be. And you know what? These red switches, they're not that bad. You know, I'm kind of rocking with them, and I hope that they'll rock with me. But that is going to be the end. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, feel free to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And that's going to be it for me. Peace out. I can mix it in the nigga hit the grip, I'ma let my hips talk. Put a quarter in the dick, you gotta kill up, y'all.